is your sign. This is the video. You need to watch it. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I am shooting today, and I decided to answer most asked question on my Instagram channel. Today, I am going to tell you 5 ways how you can earn money as a student, चाहे वो college student हो, चाहे school student हो. You don't need kind of degree, you don't need any kind of experience. So yeah, let's get into the video. So let's start with the first kind of people. You don't have any kind of skill से मेरा मतलब है how to edit videos, how to write content for others. Best way you can start earning as a student is by teaching other students. Yes, you can become a home tutor for a student. You can become an online tutor for a student, and there are various platforms. I will attach the link in the bio. You can get out. There are various platforms through that you can apply. Even you can check out अपने local city में. So you can search home tutors list, and there will so many platforms who give you opportunity, who connect you with the people who want tutor for their children, and through that you can apply. But I would suggest you to not like continue it for a year or your main source of income, because you can do much better than this. This is just a way you can earn, and ऐसे मैंने भी earn करा था when I was in 11th grade, and I used to earn like 2500 something. Don't restrict yourself to one thing. You don't know, maybe step out of your comfort zone. You can do better. So what I call this is monetize your hobby. I use this method for myself too, and that's why I'm saying इसमें जितने भी मेथड बता रही हूँ वो सब मैंने ट्राई करा एंड उससे मैंने अर्न करा है. तो ये सब की सब tried and tested, so you can like fully trust on it. अब हॉबी को monetize in the sense turn your hobby into something through which you can earn money. For example, if you know how to dance, you can start your own workshop. You can first start with your like apartment के या मोहल्ले के बच्चे, उनको डांस सिखा के एंड थोड़ा थोड़ा अमाउंट लेके, देन when you have demo video to the bigger clients जो तुम्हें ज्यादा पैसा दे सके, that's how you can start it. And even if you know how to do painting, then you can sell your paint. If you know how to draw on a paper, you still can work with clothing brands because they want to draw like unique designs make for them, and through that you can earn money. Third thing which you can try is by personal brand. You can start with YouTube. You even can start it with LinkedIn. Yes, इस समय LinkedIn का भी बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट चल रहा है, प्रोसेस भी आपको बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलते हैं. तो अभी content creation is not related to only two platforms, which are YouTube and Instagram. You can earn money through LinkedIn also. You can earn money Pinterest also. You can also earn money through Threads. And मेरा most of the like money जो था, जो मैंने 1 लाख किया, वो थ्रू पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग ही था. एंड ये एक दिन नहीं हुआ है. दिस टेक टाइम, सो यू हैव टू गिव इट योर टाइम, एफर्ट्स एंड इनकंसिस्टेंट. मेरा एक टाइम ऐसा था कि मेरी जो लाइक स्टडी टेबल थी मैं वो मुझसे चली गई थी कर रही, उस टाइम पे मेरे पास नहीं, मैंने स्टार्ट किया. इफ यू आर रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग योरसेल्फ टू वन थिंग कि मेरे पास अभी आईफोन नहीं, लाइट नहीं, माइक नहीं कर सकती, then this is absolutely not. Be consistent, be unique, be creative, and yeah, you can earn money. Fourth thing through which you can earn money is through starting a small business. Small business एक बहुत अच्छा income source है for students जो कम investment में ज्यादा पैसे देते हैं, and ये सबसे ज्यादा like easy होता है उन लोग के लिए जो अपनी hobby को एक business में convert कर. If you have a hobby of designing something, can create designs for others and make it a business. If you know how to make candles, you can turn it into a business. If you know how to like paint, canvas paint, या फिर drawing, so you can convert it into a small business. And even if you don't have anything in mind, you still can start a small business. Small business physical नहीं होता है, आप वर्चुअली भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो बाय सेलिंग कोर्सेज, जिसमें आप प्रूफ रखते हो, इन लोगों को हेल्प करते हो ग्रो करने. तो थ्रू दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो अर्न. नाउ द लास्ट पार्ट जो कि मैंने किया था before I started my college is by doing paid internship. And yes, you heard me right. My first internship was paid. बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं internship first वाली paid नहीं होती है, but मेरी paid, and that was because of correct resume, correct pitch, and correct representation of my work which I can do for them. So yeah, you can go for paid internships. बहुत सारे platforms हैं apart from Intershala and LinkedIn. Through that you can reach out to brands, reach out to companies for internship. ये बहुत ज्यादा लंबी वीडियो हो जाएगी, यहाँ पे ही मैं वीडियो एंड करती हूँ। एंड इंटर्नशिप के बारे में भी एक सेपरेट वीडियो जल्द ही आएगी, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग ने बहुत क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग इंटर्नशिप या फिर पोर्टफोलियो कैसे। दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। इफ यू लाइक्ड दिस वीडियो, डू सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल। डेली हर वीक संडे को वीडियो आएगी। मेक श्योर टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सी या।